Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Z here from the Caregiver's Touch, and today's video I will be reviewing these beautiful products from BeHealthy that I've been using. And before I proceed, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you have any question about this product, please comment down below, and also I'll be putting the link of their page and store. And now they sent me this beautiful product from the BeHealthy. It's a blood glucose monitoring and also a SPYGMONAMOMETer from them. And here's the letter from them. We BeHealthy are thankful for accepting our pure kids. We're beyond grateful for being interested to try and feature our product. And BeHealthy is your top health resource for Filipino by Filipino. We understand your health needs, and so we create product just the way you would need them to be. BeHealthy is dedicated to being your partner in keeping you and your loved ones healthy and protected right in comfort of your home. We are really excited and looking forward to future brand, hoping for more collaboration with you in the future. Yours, BeHealthy family. Yes, thank you very much, BeHealthy, for this, and it's been an honor to be partner. And yes, I've been using this, tested it, and I'm very satisfied. So if you will buy this product on Lazada or Shopee, please check BeHealthy. And this package came from this blood glucose monitoring and the strips. It depends on how many you would want to have, and lancing device and lancet. And it came to a beautiful package, very nice. Unlike the other products, ang bilis niyang masira. Actually, even though na hindi ko naman ginagamit yung ganito, ang bilis niyang, I don't know why. So this one is very nice. It looks like a waterproof. It came a lancet, and also what good in this lancet is hindi siya masakit. And then once you pull it, alam mo na yung needle is parang nakaano na siya, nakakasa na siya. And then you have to press this. You have to indicate how many number na kaya mo. 4, 3.5, or 3 or 2. Depends on you. It's very nice compared to my other lancet device here. I prefer this one. I like it, and also it's very handy. It's very nice. Glucometer, and it came to a 2 battery. Yeah, mabilis siya, maganda, and then when you check it, you don't have to pull it. Ang gagawin mo lang siya, i-eject mo lang siya na ganyan para hindi masira. And what's good in this product, unlike the other products, maghihintay ka pa ng 10 seconds, 8 seconds. This one is very nice, and it's very good, and I like it. It's very, I couldn't say anything anymore because I already tested it and I like it. It came to a strips. It's a small one. Para siyang branded strips. I wouldn't say or anything about the other one, but it looks expensive. The other brand it looks like this, na mabibili mo sa labas na sobrang mahal. And I like this product because of this also. It came to a logbook. So, lahat ng mga merong diabetes or diabetic patient, you have a logbook here. Kasi kailangan nyo to pagpunta nyo sa doctor nyo. And then, there's a name, address, and phone number, emergency. And, yes, you have to indicate what you have before breakfast. I mean, what you have for breakfast, like before the meal, after the meal, and before lunch, after lunch, dinner, and before bed. You have to note it. So how many um, blood sugar do you have? If you feel dizzy, nauseous when you have a high blood sugar or low blood sugar, what do you do to manage it? So you have to put it here. It's very useful, very good. And then you have a manual. So it's very important to have a manual paano mo siya gamitin. And yeah, see if there's a quick reference, manual reference if you don't have any time to read it. So there's a manual how to put the strip inside the monitor, and then how you do it. So if there's an error, there's error 1, test strip is just damaged or replaced, and error 2, blood samples was supplied to the test strip before the blood symbols appear on the screen. So, and temperature is too hot, so wag niyo po siya expose sa araw kasi mag-error 3 po siya, and the blood sample is not filled enough. So you have to put a blood enough, wag yung kulang. And then error 5, you put the wrong strips. Please check if you're using the proper strip. Yeah, kasi it really happens pag ibang ginamit mong strips. And then error 6, when the mirror itself finds our internal problem. And if you have high and low, then this is a manual. And my review for this, my rate for this, like 5 out of 5. I really like it, especially this one. Kasi iba is masakit. And this one is very nice, and as you can see, meron na siyang pula pag na ano. And I'm very satisfied for this. I really like it. And now I have this useful product, specifically if you're a caregiver. You need this one. Okay, SPYGMONAMOMETER. And what I like this product is, compared to the other products, ang ganda niya. Yung cuff niya, hindi siya plastic actually. Hindi siya plastic. Yung iba plastic, and then yung iba, nako, madumihin yung iba. And then this one is very good. The tubing, it looks like na hindi siya talaga matutunaw. Unlike yung branded na ginagamit ko, maganda siya, pero pag nagtagal and pag na-expose sa heat, high temperature, natutunaw siya, so I had to cut it. And this one is very nice. Kaya if you're looking a nice BP monitoring SPYGMONAMOMETER. Look at this brand. It's very good. Parang pwede siyang ma-compete sa high-end SPYGMONAMOMETer. Yes. I think the size is normal one. Very nice. Kaya sa lahat ng mga nagpa-practice ng medical field, caregivers especially, use BeHealthy. It's very good product from them. And thank you for this. I've been using this now for my client and replacement for the other one that I have. It's a branded one, but since the rubber, the tubing is already melted, so I'm no longer using that. Ito na yung aking gagamitin. So see, it's very comfortable when you use it. Hindi siya, I like this noise. Manaalis kagad siya. And that's it. So that's for my review. I will rate this as also 5 out of 5. It's not being biased or something, but I really like it as a customer, and yeah, as a caregiver, I like this product. I'm very satisfied, and even if it's not a free sample or I bought it, I really like it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this to anyone out there, specifically those who are practicing medical and as a caregiver. And here's a brochure, the other that they're offering. And this one. Yeah, if you have any question or orders, please check BeHealthy Philippines. And this, it's available on Lazada. Again, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, and I will definitely recommend this product from BeHealthy, and believe that it's very accurate on this product. Using this, I won't be testing for now. I'll be doing a separate test for another video using this product, because it's 2 a.m. here in the Philippines. It's 2 o'clock in the morning here. So yeah, thank you again, and thank you for watching, and go, bili na po kayo ng BeHealthy product. Sa Lazada lang po yan, and I will definitely recommend this. And I remember that one of my clients using this already. Yeah. And again, thank you for watching. Until next unboxing video and review. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.